reinforce the beam, preventing a potential collapse and saving countless lives. In another instance, AI played a crucial role in a high-rise building project. By analyzing geological data and building plans, AI identified a potential soil instability issue. This early warning allowed architects to modify the foundation design, ensuring the building's stability and preventing a future disaster. These examples demonstrate how AI is not just a tool for engineers, it's a partner in building a safer world. Section 4. The benefits of AI. Building a safer tomorrow. The advantages of incorporating AI into engineering are numerous and significant. First and foremost, AI enhances safety by predicting and preventing disasters before they occur. This proactive approach saves lives and protects valuable infrastructure. Imagine a world where bridge collapses and building failures become rare occurrences. That's the promise AI holds. Furthermore, AI brings efficiency to the field of engineering. AI can analyze complex structural designs and identify potential weaknesses much faster than humans, allowing for quicker design iterations and reducing the likelihood of human error. This speed and accuracy translate into cost savings and faster construction timelines. Section 5. A future fortified with AI. As we look towards the future, the role of AI in engineering will only become more crucial. With advancements in AI technology happening at an unprecedented pace, we can expect even more sophisticated tools and applications. Imagine AI-powered robots working alongside human engineers, inspecting structures with unparalleled precision, or even three-dimensional printing buildings with self-healing materials based on AI algorithms. The possibilities are endless, and they paint an exciting picture of a future where engineering and AI work hand in hand to create a safer, more resilient world. By embracing AI, we're not just building structures, we are building a better future for generations to come.